Dollar, 48 counts, 2 walls, phrased intermediate. Weight on the left. Part A, total 32 counts, 2 walls. Section 1, forward on right, pivot half turn, prep for turning. Reverse half turn with sweep, behind side. 1/8 facing 10-30, 2 walk, walk right, walk left. Quick forward recover. 2 run back, right, left. Count Part A, Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 2. 2 sets of half-turn rock. Touch right behind. Half-turn recover to left. Back right, facing 430. Mirror on the left. Touch left back. Half-turn recover on right. Back left, facing 1030. Back right, a quick half-turn rock. Touch left behind. Half-turn recover on right, facing 430. Slow forward rock. Forward on left, up on left toe. Recover on right and sit. Count Section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Part A, Section 3. The first 3 steps, total making full turn. Recover to left, make half turn, and keep right leg straight and back. Back right, half turn with sweep, back to 430. Cross, diagonal back, behind 1/8 side rock, recover, square up to 6. Behind quarter forward, quarter side, facing 12. Count Part A, Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4. Behind left with sweep. Behind side. Slow cross rock. Recover side. Cross rock. Recover quarter forward. Quarter side. And together. This is the end of Part A. Count Part A, Section 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Part B, total 16 counts. Part B always start at 6 and finish at 6. Part B is like a walk in the line of a box. 4 walk forward, right, left, left. Make a quarter turn right, facing 9 o'clock. Walk back, right, left, left. Make a quarter turn right, facing 12. Walk forward, right, left, left. Make a quarter turn right, facing 3 o'clock. Walk back, right, left, right. Make a quarter turn, step left, together, facing 6. That's the end of Part B. Count Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 4 counts after A, B, A. Tag facing 12 o'clock. Reach right hand forward, palms up. Reach left hand forward, palms facing up. Right hand down, left hand down. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start A again. Ending after the last A, facing 12. Ending. Hold chest pop or shoulder pop. Hold chest pop or shoulder pop. Hold head down. Count for the ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will do the second set A, B, A without the tag. The third set will be 2A, front and back wall. At the end of the last wall, facing 12, ending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, end of the whole dance.